Hi there, my name is Will and welcome to another episode of Deep Dive of Workflow Components. Today we're going to be talking about the timeout property and how you can use this to help manage costs and execution time in Kestra. As the name sort of suggests, timeout will stop tasks from running past a maximum specified duration. If you're running certain tasks on the cloud and you want to be able to manage costs to prevent it from being expensive. So for example, maybe you have a task that's running and it gets stuck, there's an error in it, which means it keeps running for way longer than you would expect. And as a result of this, it then racks up some big cloud bills that you're not expecting. Timeout will allow you to manage that and control that to avoid any of that. And so if you do find that it times out, that is normally a good indication that there's a problem and that you should go and investigate it. Timeouts use the ISO 8601 durations format, so it makes it really easy for you to specify exactly how long you want it to run for. Let's have a look at an example where we can use a timeout. In this example here, I've got a simple shell command that is going to just run for 10 seconds before it finishes. But I have set a timeout here that is using the format 5 seconds, so this will actually time out before this can succeed. So let's take a look at this in action. And as we can see here from the logs, this timed out after 5 seconds because it took too long. So this helps you stop, costly queries from adding up and getting expensive. Here I've got a few examples of various different duration formats for different durations. So here you can see I've got 250 milliseconds, 2 seconds, 1 minute, and a 3.5 hour delay. So lots of flexibility there to be able to customize the timeout for exactly what you're after. Hopefully you found that useful, and timeout will help you prevent any large cloud costs from occurring. However, I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments. So let us know how you're using timeout and how it's helping you with your Kestra workflows.